Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Continuing saga of the pizza delivery application, whatever. I had Copilot write an endpoint for the register, which is right here, post, and it generated all of this stuff for me, and it got all of this information, and now it works. And when I go to, let's go ahead and refresh this. When I go to my documents, you'll see all of the text that's in here is from here. So the doc strings are useful, and now I can take a look at it. I've already tested it, and it does work, and I put in Pizza Boy. So let's take a look, and I'm going to try it out. I'm going to add a new one. We'll call this Piney Boy, and I execute. Piney Boy has been successfully added, and I refresh, and there it is. Piney Boy is there. So now I can't copy this directly, but what I can do is just try, and you'll see in the code here, Control B to close that. User with this name already exists. Now I'm going to try adding Pizza Boy, or actually Piney Boy, since it's right there. Control C, make sure I get the string correctly. Reset. And now let's go ahead and refresh the page, try it out. And now I'm going to try to add Piney Boy again. Execute. Okay, it said that it worked, and now I have Piney Boy added. Now let's see if I have two Piney Boys. Refresh, and I have two Piney Boys. So the logic doesn't, the logic is not smart enough to catch a duplicate. So let's go ahead and tell tell GitHub Copilot that the function is accepting duplicate user, accepting duplicate, what's the name of this name? Okay, is accepting duplicate user name. Fix the code, warn, fix the code, notify user that they need to use a different name. And now you see I've selected 62 to 84, and hopefully it's going to give me a new answer here. And all right, so from Fast API, HTTP exception, no, I don't have that. All right, so I'm going to import the HTTP exception. And now I'm going to copy this code, and then over here, V. Control S to save, refresh, see if it still works. Open up the URL. I'm not surprised by that particular detail not found because it's the same one we've got before. I go to docs, register user, Okay, and I'm going to try it out. And in this case, we'll try Piney Boy again. Execute. Okay, so we got the error that we were looking for. I'd say that's pretty exciting. And let's just do a double check. Piney Boy is there twice. Refresh, refresh, refresh. All right. And we have Pizza Boy as well. So let's see if, refresh the page and see if Pizza Boy will also throw an error. Execute. Bad request already exists. That's correct. And now refresh. And let's try adding a new user. New user will be Papa Pizza. All right, let's see what happens. Execute. Register, we have a 200, so that's good. And we have a successful response. Controls accept header. We go back, refresh our database, and Papa Pizza is there. We are golden. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.